In today's video, I am going to teach you how to transfer Steam games to a different account. Right up front, it's important to set expectations. Steam does not let you transfer game licenses from one account to another. Once a game is purchased or a key is redeemed, it's permanently tied to that account. That said, there are two practical ways to reach a similar outcome. First, you can share access to your library with another account using Steam Family Sharing. Second, you can move the actual game files to another computer to avoid downloading everything again. I'll walk you through both, with tips to keep things smooth. Let's start with sharing. On the computer where you want to play, sign into the primary Steam account, the one that owns the games. Open the Steam app. Go to Steam, then Settings, and select Family here. Choose Authorize Library, Sharing on this computer. You'll see a list of eligible accounts that have signed in on this PC before. Check the box next to the secondary account you want to share with. That's it. The secondary account will be able to access supported games from the primary account's library on this computer. A few notes to keep in mind. Sharing doesn't change ownership, and it doesn't merge libraries. Some titles, like those with separate launchers or region restrictions, might not be shareable. Also, if the primary account starts playing a shared game, the secondary account may be prompted to stop or buy the game. Think of it as lending your library with some reasonable limits. Now, if your goal is simply to avoid re-downloading big games on another PC, you can move the files. On the original machine, open your Steam installation folder. By default, that's C drive program files. x86 Steam, Steam apps. Common. Inside, find the folder for the specific game you want and copy that entire folder to an external drive. When the copy finishes, safely disconnect the drive. On the new PC, connect the drive and paste the game folder into the same common directory. Steam, Steam apps, common. Then open Steam and click Install for that game. Steam will scan the folder, discover the existing files, and skip most of the download, only grabbing anything that's missing or out of date. Remember, moving files doesn't grant access by itself. You still need the owning account or family sharing enabled on that computer for the game to run. And that's the process. Thanks for watching.